Welcome to the presentation on day 50 of the Capstone project. Today we will be focusing on project planning and requirement gathering, laying the groundwork for a successful project. Let's get started. On day 50, we set the stage for our project by defining clear objectives. First, we need to select a project theme. You can choose between the three options: web scraper, data analyzer, or machine learning model. Next, we define the project's goals and outcomes. These goals should be clear and measurable. We also gather the requirements, including tools, libraries, and data sources, and lay out a project plan with milestones for coding, testing, and debugging. If you choose to work on a web scraper, the objective is to automate data extraction from websites. The outcome would be clean datasets exported in formats such as CSV or JSON that can be used for further analysis. Alternatively, if you choose the data analyzer, the objective is to analyze datasets and extract actionable insights. The outcome would be comprehensive analytical reports and compelling visualizations of the data. For those selecting an ML model, the objective is to build a predictive model for a specific problem domain, such as classification or regression. The outcome would be trained models with performance metrics that demonstrate the effectiveness of the model. Moving forward, we begin gathering the necessary requirements. For a web scraper, we will need tools and libraries such as Beautiful Soap, Scrappy, or Selenium. We will also need to identify the websites or APIs from which we will scrap data. For a data analyzer, we will utilize libraries such as Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn for data manipulation and visualization. The datasets can be sourced from public repositories like Kaggle or UCI. For the ML model, we will use libraries like scikit-learn or TensorFlow. The data sources will be labeled datasets, which will be pre-processed before training the model. We will define inputs and outputs clearly to ensure smooth execution. Here's a high-level project overview. The plan is to divide it into several phases with milestones for each. We start with planning, moving to data collection, followed by development, testing, enhancements, and finally finalization. Each phase is aligned with specific tasks and days. While planning for the web scraper, we must consider potential risks. This includes website restrictions or data unavailability, which can cause delays or affect data collection. For the data analyzer, risks may arise from incomplete or noisy datasets, which can lead to misleading insights or errors in analysis. Though data cleaning is key to mitigating this risk. Similarly, for the ML model, challenges may include poor model performance or overfitting. To mitigate this, we can use cross-validation techniques, fine-tune hyperparameters, and ensure that training data is representative of the problem domain. As we reach day 50, we define the preliminary deliverables. By the end of the day, we should have the project proposal, the requirements document, and the project timeline, including milestones for all phases of the project. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further details, feel free to contact me. Remember, planning is the foundation of success, so let's get started on the right foot.